So when we come in as recruits, we do our CBRN training from the start. So we're trained in all identification of different chemical weapons and different scenarios, and obviously then our own personal protective gear to a very high standard. So from when we come in as recruits, we're doing that, and ongoing basis then within our units, we're always training on different scenarios and doing different things while wearing the protective equipment as well.
Was it an honour to be chosen, or how does this happen? How does the process happen?
So everybody that's here is a volunteer. So you volunteer and you apply to a unit and then you're selected. I'm not part of the selection process, so you put your name in on a form, and it goes on the courses, your experience, the last time you were overseas, a lot of different factors, I'm sure, in choosing people.
So there's no fear for you, when they said there's a mission to Syria, you just went for it?
Yeah.
And what sort of tours have you been on before? The Lebanon?
I've been to Lebanon, Liberia and Kosovo. So all different missions, all different, some different mandates and stuff like that, and all different cultures and countries. It's a really interesting way of seeing the world as well.
Absolutely. And does the fact that there's a live conflict on the way in the same country change your approach towards heading over?
No, there's an element of danger in all places that we deploy to, and we're so well trained as well. We fire live weapons ourselves all the time, so we're confident in our training and in the equipment that we have going over, and in our drills. So we joined the army, so that's part of the job description.
That's great. Thanks, Claire.
Best of luck.
Thank you.